Under the hood of AI, there is no magic. There is only massive and unrelenting matrix multiplication. Every single word an AI generates requires billions of multiply and accumulate operations. Traditional computers were not built for this task. Google engineered a mathematical cheat code to break the memory wall. This chip is called the Tensor Processing Unit, or TPU. To understand why we need new chips, we must look at the traditional CPU. A central processing unit is smart, but it operates sequentially. The processor fetches a number from memory and performs one operation. Then it stores the result back in memory. For a massive language model, this constant transit is too slow. Then came the Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU. Instead of one worker, it uses thousands of simpler cores to work in parallel. Even with thousands of cores, there is a major bottleneck. Each core must constantly talk to memory, which creates a massive data traffic jam. The TPU bypasses the memory wall using a design called a systolic array. The word systolic describes how data pumps through the chip like a beating heart. In this chip, the weights are loaded once and stay parked inside the cells. The input data is then pumped through the grid like a wave. Data multiplies and accumulates on the fly as it passes through. It never takes a round trip back to memory until the entire calculation is complete. To make this flow even faster, the chip uses a mathematical shortcut called bfloat16. This format is a specialized brain floating point representation. Scientific computers use 32-bit precision. AI models do not need such extreme precision to predict the next word. A super-fast engine is useless if you cannot feed it fuel. To solve this, the chip is paired with high-bandwidth memory, or HBM. By replacing expensive memory fetches with a flowing river of data, we get a processing superpower. This is how modern AI models are trained so rapidly. If you want to understand the architecture behind the AI revolution, subscribe to our channel. We make the complex simple.